Alright everybody, welcome back to another quick episode. We got a quick fix. I recently got a new computer, so I'm setting everything back up the way it was. And I noticed when I was trying to type my code, the little auto completion functions from Unity aren't visible. So the first thing, I want to go into tools and make sure that the game development with Unity is checked and installed. Doesn't take very long. Okay, reload the script, try it again, and it looks like it's still not here. So it's fine. It says update available. We're going to update it. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Reload it again. And it's still not here. So the only other thing to do is to actually open up Unity itself. Get in the edit tab. You want to go down to preferences and click on external tools, and then the external script editor, click that Visual Studio. Now regenerate project files is not really necessary, I don't believe. I was just kind of clicking it just to be on the safe side, but afterwards it should reload. Shout out to Carter Reacts for supplying the music this time around. Okay, let me close out this script, open it back up, and that should do it. That's pretty much the only three things you can really check for. So notice this time when I type get component, all the Unity functions pop up there. All the animation functions pop up also. This is really useful to use. If you don't have it, I recommend checking it out. It makes the coding go by way faster. You can experiment on things that you're not really too sure about. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.